Every single cell in the human body replaces itself over a period of 7 years. That means there's not even the smallest part of you that was part of you 7 years ago. With today's advancements in medical science, it makes sense that anyone who wants to enhance their appearance or reduce pain naturally should be able to do so.
Well, stem cell therapy is one of the more exciting fields of medicine and has a lot of potential applications. I really believe it's going to change how we practice medicine in the future. We now understand that we can actually regrow body tissue, we can regrow cartilage, regrow heart muscle, all using your body's own stem cells. So it has applications throughout the spectrum of medicine and cardiology, orthopedics, and even cosmetics, where we understand you can use this technology to enhance hair production, regrow hair. You can actually use your own body fat as a natural filler for other areas where you'd like to have more volume, moving it from one area to another. So I think it has a ton of potential applications all across the spectrum of medicine. One of the misconceptions is that all stem cells come from embryos or fetal tissue, and that's actually not true. A lot of the research in medicine has been more with adult stem cells, which we actually get from your own body. Several sources are available, including your bone marrow and also your body fat. Actually, your body fat has one of the highest concentrations of stem cells in your body. So the benefit is that we can use your own body tissue, not have to worry about the moral and ethical questions of embryos and fetal stem cells, and still have many successful treatments available.
The face of cosmetic surgery is changing. Going under the scalpel with anesthesia is no longer the only option available to people that want to restore or enhance their appearance. Between tumescent liposuction, fat transfers, and the use of stem cells, the alternatives to artificial enhancements and plastics is growing. Take, for example, the following patient who had liposuction of her thighs with fat transfer to naturally enhance her breasts.
Had no idea that you had so much say-so and so much involvement with your doctor to decide exactly what you want to move from a specific area to another area. Had no idea that it was so non-invasive, being able to take a sedative and just still be able to feel like you have some control over what's going on, even throughout the procedure, being able to communicate with your doctor. It was a relief to know there was something out there that could make that kind of change for me.
Before I had the stem cell treatment, I could not get through the day without my knee hurting. Just going up and down the stairs was quite an ordeal. Within 4 to 5 months of after having this, that pain went away. It has been several years ago. Normally, on a normal day now, I have no pain at all. I'm able to hike 6, 7, 8 miles. Usually it's the feet or something else that gives out before the knee does. So it has been a real game changer for me.
Aegean Medical is able to provide a varied array of cosmetic and regenerative services to people who may want to enhance their appearance or reduce their pain. Highly invasive cosmetic surgeries are a thing of the past. With all natural procedures, Aegean Medical uses your own fat cells or stem cells, oftentimes in the process.
Aegean Medical uses a less invasive and more natural approach to address problems you may have in an orthopedic or cosmetic arena. With the orthopedic side, we can actually regrow and repair cartilage and ligament and bone and joint tissue, and in the field of cosmetics, we can actually take your body's fat and move it from one area to another area. We can enhance your skin's overall appearance and even regrow hair using all natural means.
I had knee surgery 3 times. I go home with crutches, there's a long recuperation period. It's an ordeal. As compared to the stem cell therapy, you do it an afternoon here, you go home 4 or 5 months later after the rehealing has happened. It's permanent. I can go on about my life. The knee is fine now. Dr. Tillis and his team were fantastic to work with. I recommend the stem cell procedure to anybody who will listen.
I chose the scarless breast reduction because of the amount of time that I have to be away from work. I don't have a lot of free time available. We are a very small staff, small business, and I needed something that was relatively painless because my pain tolerance level is not probably what it should be. Dr. Tellis's office and his staff are extremely knowledgeable. They were very welcoming, they were very comforting, and I think that feeling helped increased the success of my whole procedure, just being comfortable in the environment with them.
Aegean Medical offers all-natural, high-tech procedures to meet your cosmetic and orthopedic needs. With specializations in liposuction, fat transfers, stem cell treatments, skin tightening, and much, much more. Aegean Medical concentrates on using your own body to heal itself.
I'd like people to know that there's a better way of doing things out there, and that they need to keep looking for that. Here at Aegean Medical, we are dedicated to finding those better ways to address people's needs in a meaningful way, using more natural, less invasive approaches and pushing the frontiers of medicine to really enhance your overall ability to heal your body.
To learn more, contact us today